Sanbona, welcome back to Mzansi Zulumama. Today we're diving into a delicious food comparison. Isijingi, which is a traditional Zulu pumpkin porridge, versus pumpkin pie, the American favorite. Isijingi and pumpkin pie have the same star ingredient, and that is pumpkin. But these two are prepared in a completely different way. Now let's see what makes each of these unique. Now let's start with Isijingi. I'm taking it back home to South Africa. Isijingi is a sweet, thick porridge made with pumpkin, maize meal, and sometimes a touch of butter or sugar. So for many of us, the Zulu families, it's comfort food, warm, filling, and deeply connected to childhood memories. It's often enjoyed at family gatherings, traditional ceremonies, symbolizing nourishment and togetherness. And it's also enjoyed solely as dinner or lunch in one's family. Please let me know in the comments if you would love to know how to make isijingi. I can do another video and show you step by step on how to make isijingi. Now let's take it to America with a pumpkin pie. Across the ocean in America, pumpkin takes on a whole new life as pumpkin pie. It's baked with eggs, cream, and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, usually served during Thanksgiving and Christmas. Instead of porridge, it is served as a dessert, a sweet slice of celebration. Both those dishes celebrate pumpkin, but in different ways. Isijingi is simple, earthy, and hearty. It's perfect for everyday meals or ceremonies. While on the other side, the pumpkin pie is spiced, rich, and festive, often saved for special occasions. But together, they show how one humble vegetable can inspire two beautiful traditions. So, which one would you like to try first? The warm and homely isijingi or the sweet, spiced pumpkin pie? Maybe you want to try both. Food connects cultures, and these dishes prove that one ingredient can tell two very different stories. So there it is, South Africa versus America. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural food journey. Nisale kahle, ngiyabonga.